Hello and good evening, carpet cleaning world. This is your administrator, Roger Lloyd. And yes, we're getting close. Christmas looks like it's a week and a day away for 2018. That means once again, we've come to the end. And you know what? More so than ever before, it seems like us carpet cleaners, us maybe smaller carpet cleaning companies are suffering. We're struggling. Now, I know it's a lot of you guys that say, you know what? I'm not struggling. I'm not suffering. I got more work than I know what to do with. Well, kudos to you. But I'm speaking to the mom and pop shops, the smaller one truck to two truck operators that know that they have to be carpet cleaning specialists and not just carpet cleaners. So I have been telling you from time and time again about my residential folder and how whether you're a smaller company or a larger company, but I'm not going to argue with you, when you can outline all the services you do and that you offer in a professional portfolio to give to every potential client that wants to give you money, then this is what you need. Now, if you do lowball pricing and you'll do 2 rooms for $50 and things like that, then no, this isn't for you, because this would be very costly as a marketing project and you wouldn't get anywhere, because most of those carpets are trash and they have to get them clean for some type of inspection or something else. So you guys are very familiar with the Roger Lloyd residential marketing folder, or you can go back and watch the main video that describes all this. But what am I talking about? A free gift from Roger Lloyd's marketing. Well, I'm trying to get more of you to understand that cleaning your client is the way to go to make top dollar, not to ever try to offer price. Let me ask you a question. If you offer a client or marketing $49.99 for the first room of carpet cleaning, and then it's $20 a room, and then you have someone else that comes behind you that says, we'll clean carpets for $25 a room. How are you going to debate that? You're both selling price. See, you don't want to do that. You want to try to clean your client. You want to learn how to go out and teach yourself how to do a proper estimate. And see, the thing is, if you're new to the industry, what's so great about this marketing package that I offer, each thing that we offer, whether it's carpet cleaning, upholstery cleaning, tile and grout cleaning, it tells you on the actual marketing material the steps that you do. So not only is it teaching your client, it's training you to do the proper steps to clean a carpet, to clean upholstery, to clean tile and grout. So not only is this marketing material for your client, it's also teaching and training you. So what is the free gift all about? Well, right behind me, you see maximum performance, and then you see this is all about Pro's Choice tonight. So Roger Lloyd and CTI Pro's Choice has teamed up for this holiday season to do one thing. If you purchase my Roger Lloyd residential marketing folder, you will get to try CTI Pro's Choice OS1. This exact container that is in my hand is what will be sent to you. This is a container of odor stain remover for the encapsulation cleaning from OS1. This is technically a liquid form of the OSR. So If you were on the edge about it and you heard great things about it, or you just wanted to try it, well, just for being intelligent enough to sharpen up your marketing skills, I will send you this container of OS1 odor stain remover absolutely free for purchasing Roger Lloyd's residential marketing folder. Now, if you decide that you want to also purchase my commercial marketing folder to get commercial businesses, to give to commercial businesses when you have a chance to give them an estimate. Now, for commercial use, I will give you Pro's Choice Firestorm Prespray high pH of 13. If you wanted to try the Firestorm by Pro's Choice, if you purchase my residential and my commercial package folders, you will get this container to try Firestorm's 13 by CTI Pro's Choice, and you will get the OS1 together for the liquid form for encapsulation cleaning of OSR. Both of these products are superior products. These are yours absolutely free just for being smart enough to sharpen your marketing by purchasing Roger Lloyd's residential folder, which you would get the OS1. If you purchase both folders, you'll get the OS1 and the CTI Pro's Choice Firestorm High pH Prespray. It's yours to keep. So now, you guys have this offer until when? December 24th, Christmas Eve. And I will send these right out to you upon the purchase of the residential or the residential and the commercial package to give to your clients when you get in the door, so you can look professional as only you want to. Remember, if you're a small mom and pop shop, you need all of these things, so this will sharpen your image and it gives you no competition. None of your competitors are giving your residential clients or your commercial clients a folder of this magnitude. You have to think about it. And like I said, it's self-training. It's not just for your clients. If you're a newbie in the industry, you will follow the steps that each marketing brochure tells your client, and then you'll become a professional carpet cleaner. And then not only that, you will get these gifts from me. Remember, if you call today, 484-420-7220, if you purchase the residential folder to give to your clients when you do an estimate, you will get the CTI OS1. This container is the exact container that you will get. If you purchase the residential and the commercial folder together, you will get this OS1 for your residential liquid form of OSR, and you will get this Firestorm high pH pre-spray. Both of these are some of the hottest new products on the market by CTI. So I ask you again, what are you waiting for? You have these things. You can try them. So now, not only will you have some marketing, you'll have some Pro's Choice products, commercial product, and encapsulation products to try. If you were ever on the line about trying these products before, these are absolutely free when you purchase. Now, if you just purchase the residential folder, the inserts in the folder, that's $300, and then we'll email you and publisher the inserts so you'll have them instantly, and then we will get your address, of course, and we will send you your bottle of OS1. Now, if you want both of them, it's $600 which is the residential package folder and the commercial package. Now, the commercial package is in PDF form, so we would have to make all the changes for you and edits and colors and things like that so you can have it. But the residential folder is editable by you and Microsoft Publisher. So once again, with the residential insert package of $300, you will also receive till December 24th this bottle of OS1 odor stain remover from the fantastic Pro's Choice CTI. If you purchase both the residential and the commercial package together, that's $600, and then we'll throw in also this Firestorm high pH pre-spray. What I'm holding in my hand is exactly what you would get sent to you. No tricks, no surprises. You're looking at what will be sent to you if you purchase any of Roger Lloyd's marketing folders for estimates. These are for estimates, ladies and gentlemen. Once you're on the job, that's when you will show them the folders. So once again, our phone number here at the office is 484-420-7221. Excuse me, I'm sorry. 484-420-7220. Give us a call today and let's get these products and these marketing materials out to you right away so you will be ready for 2019 like you've never been ready before. Take your competition off the table by presenting your potential target audience with something that they have not seen before with Roger Lloyd's marketing folders, residential and commercial, and then try some of CTI, that's CTI Pro's Choice. Let me let you see their website right here, www.proschoice.com. Once you try these products and you love them, then you go right to the website here and you can order these and you can have them in your arsenal. 484-420-7220 or message me or comment right here underneath and we'll get back in touch with you. And you can get these two fun, fantastic gifts just for taking the marketing steps that you should take in your carpet cleaning business. Thank you and enjoy your holiday. I'll be talking to you soon. Give us a call. Get these free gifts. Are you kidding me right now? Firestorm. Oh, yeah. High pH 13 pre-spray. All this whole thing is yours. Is yours. Just call, order the marketing materials today. You take care now.